it is a quick introduction video on derivatives. Derivative gives us the slope of a function at a point. So what is the slope of a function? Slope is given by this formula. Change in y, which is this, by change in x. That is denoted as delta y by delta x. So here this gives us the slope between 2 points of this function f of x. If we want to find out the slope at a point A, we can't use this function because we can't use this formula of slope, because at point A there is no change in x or there is no change in y. So 0 by 0 gives us nothing. To calculate the slope of a function at that point, we use derivatives. Okay, so let's understand what this means. So at this point A, we will take another point A dash that is very near to A and find the change in x and change in y, and thus find the slope, that is delta y by delta x. If we make delta x and delta y to 0 towards 0 very small, we get the slope at A. Okay, so this process is derivatives, is finding a derivative. Okay, by making delta x to 0, we find the slope at A. Let's understand this with a simple example. Let's say we have a function f of x equal to x square. Find the derivative of it. So see here, at new point x would be x plus delta x. Delta x is the difference between x and let's say x dash is the new point. So between them delta x is the difference. So x dash would be x plus delta x. So f of x will be f of x plus delta x. Okay, so slope formula, put this in the slope formula, which is delta y by delta x. Okay, so delta y or y is nothing but f of x. So delta y will be y2 minus y1, delta x will be x2 minus x1. So put f of x in y2 and y1, which is f of x plus delta x, which is the new point x dash, minus f of x, which is our original x. Okay, by x plus delta x, x dash minus x. Okay, since f of x equal to x square, just apply the function here which says x plus delta x. So f of x plus delta x will become x plus delta x whole square minus f of x will be x square by delta x. Okay, expand this, a plus b whole square. Okay, so x square minus x square and divided by delta x. So delta x whole square will become delta x and 2x into delta x, so 2x. Okay, now as we discussed, we will make the difference between point A and point A dash to very minimum that it will be near to 0. So delta x will be 0, tends to 0. So substituting delta x equal to 0 here will give us 2x, which is the derivative. So derivative of f of x equal to x square is 2x. Okay, so how do you understand this? Let's say x equal to 2. So what is the slope at point 2 for this function x equal to f of x equal to x square? What is the slope? At 2. So now that we have found derivative of f of x is 2x, we can say that slope at point 2 is 2 into 2, that is equal to 4. So that is the practical use for finding derivatives. Okay, so there is a simple notation that we use. We won't write every time delta x tends to 0. Okay, or a derivative of x is represented as f of f dash of x or d by dx of x. That means derivative of f of x. Okay, also delta x tends to 0 is written as dx. Okay, happy learning.